All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm here with another exciting matchup for you guys here today, and I'm really pumped for this one because this is a pretty special Hellcat. This is the first time it's been on the channel. This thing has been put together by Hades, and it's a beast of a car. So this car has a 2.65 Dodge Demon blower. It's ported, has full bolt-ons, and it's running on E85. He does have nitrous, but it's not connected right now. And the owner said this car made 1,100 wheel horsepower. So that's a lot. Now, as you guys know, these cars are heavy. They weigh well over 4,000 pounds. And he's definitely got a really nice meaty tire here. He's running on Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, and they are 315 5017s. And he's gonna be running up against a 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo. Now this is a non-S model. Now the last time you guys seen this car on the channel, raced up against a C7 Z06 with an upgraded blower. Now just a little recap of what's done to this car. He's on an upgraded turbo kit from ByDesign using XR 6164 turbos with full supporting mods, running on 93 octane and meth injection. And the owner told me this car made just a little bit over 900 to the wheels. He is on the stock motor, and he's also on the stock clutch. Now these cars weigh around 3,500 to 3,600 pounds. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, everything's perfect. All right, guys. So I'm here in the Hellcat, and I'm also here with the race box. So the first race we're gonna do is from 40 miles an hour. Know when you're ready. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Quick. I think we let off just before 130. All right, guys, on to round 2. We are gonna do a 60 roll.